Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and keeping healthy. Today's video is going to be an updated everyday makeup routine. Being a new mom, putting on makeup is tough and you don't have much time literally for anything. So this is going to be an easy, quick, if you're in a hurry or need to go out the door, even if you're not a mom, this is a very easy makeup routine. Again, skin is the focus of course, and I have some new tips and tricks on how to create these fluffy eyebrows. It's a new one and it's a product that I've used before, but I'm using it differently and I can't wait to show you guys that. Also, this lip a little bit darker than I normally wear, but I was really feeling this vibe, so if you want to see how I created this, keep watching. Chiutips. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen and I post new videos here weekly, so if you want to see more videos like this one, more skincare, makeup, or health tips, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started and show you guys how I created this everyday updated makeup look. Are you ready? Let's go. So to start this routine, I'm going to be using the Mineral 89 from Vichy as my primer. It's a great booster and gives the skin a really nice base to put on makeup. Not only that, it's filled with hyaluronic acid, which really helps hydrate the skin. If you have dry skin like I do, it's a must-have. My most recent hack for fluffy brows is using the Maybelline Brow Tint pen. With this pen, there are 3 prongs, but I actually don't use it. I just use one of the prongs and use it to create individual single hair-like strokes. This gives really good definition and I find that it just makes the brow look so much more natural than using all 3 together. I like to think of this as a microblading your eyebrows, but with a brow tint pen instead of going fully tattoo, which is nice because you can shape it however you want. When it comes to foundation, an all-in-one is what I need. The iTcosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream with SPF 50 is one of my favorites. It has great coverage, it has SPF, it gives the skin this glow to it, it looks super healthy, and it's really easy to put on and you really need a little amount. I'm saying this stuff really does cover up a lot. To apply, I've been loving the Guerlain Essential Retractable brush. It just gives a very clean and airbrush look and makes it really easy to apply foundation. You guys, I have a new favorite concealer. I've been using this so much. It's one of my favorites. It's super smooth. It's from Dior. It's called the Forever Skin Correct. It's 24-hour wear and it just feels like skin. You don't need a lot. I just apply it underneath the eyes, a little bit around the nose where there's a bit of redness, and on the bridge of the nose. This is definitely one of my new favorite concealers. It doesn't settle into any lines or wrinkles, which is really nice because it's got this really nourishing, smooth texture to it. And it doesn't dry out, which is super important if you have dry skin. A concealer that is nourishing and smooth and has a nice texture can really help with that. For contouring, I have been absolutely in love with the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. This is the color in Macchiato. It's honestly such a nice color and goes so well with my skin tone. I love a natural look, as many of you guys know, so this just makes my skin look as if it's just naturally bronzed, but not too much that you notice it, which is what I need. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this Dior pink blush and apply it all over my cheekbones. This is a very light powdery pink. It looks so natural on the skin. It almost looks like you're not wearing any blush at all, which is kind of the look that I'm going for. I just keep applying layers until I like the final result. So very natural, very glowing and pink. If you guys have been following me for a while, you'll know I love a wing liner, especially a nice dark cat eye. But as of recently, I've been really liking the lighter look. I think it's just, I don't know, maybe the mom in me that just wants to look a little bit more au natural. So I've been using the Benefit Brow Pencil to create this lighter wing. It's brown, so it's not as harsh. And to be honest, it's just much easier to put on than using liquid liner. Now I'm going to use my Shimmer Eyelash Curler, my trusty one I've been using for years to curl the lashes. I love this guy. It's a staple in my makeup bag. And then I'm going to be applying a lengthening mascara. One I've been using for years is the Benefit Roller Lash. I love this one because it coats every individual eyelash and it really helps lengthen short and straight lashes. For lipstick, I'll be applying the L'Oreal Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick in Eye Explorer. I'm a huge fan of this collection. I love that it's matte, it lasts all day, and as a mom, I don't have to keep reapplying, which is a huge bonus for me. The brush applicator tip is also an amazing tool. It gives the most precise line, as you can see here. It makes it just so easy to apply liquid lipstick. It doesn't get any easier than this. This color is definitely a bit more on the bolder side for me, but I was feeling this vibe and I really like this color.
To finish off this makeup look, I'm going to make it glow with the Fenty Beauty Glow Stick. This is one of my new favorites. I actually applied this on last. I find that it works really well. It's very soft, smooth. You need just a little bit. I apply it on the bridge of the nose and on the cheekbones, and here's the final look. Very easy, simple to do, minimal products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.